Hi, my dear intermediate students, IIT JEE students, NEET students. Welcome to BMS Academy of NEET Physics classes. Thanks for joining with me. In this video class, I am going to project and present ray optics chapter. The previous entrance questions in 2024, phase 1, they asked some questions, important models from this chapter, ray optics, geometric optics. I hope all the students, both the NEET and IIT aspirants, can get maximum benefit after seeing this video class. Now let us discuss in detail. We are conducting online offline classes. If you want to join in this institution, please go through the description box given below and contact me. The first question we are discussing, two liquids are given there in the bowl, in a beaker. One liquid have, first liquid is having refractive index mu1 given there, that is 8/5, and second liquid is floating on it. Its refractive index is mu2, that is 3/2. Their thicknesses are also given 6 centimeters T1, T2 also 6 centimeters. Question is, 1 rupee coin is placed at the bottom of the beaker. Due to the first liquid, it appears to be risen from C to somewhat height, and due to second liquid also it appears to rise. So C dash is the final position of the coin, 1 rupee coin. So if C goes to C dash, then what happens? This will be the apparent depth. Apparent depth formula, general formula is real depth divided by mu. Real depth means in general T divided by, that is thickness of the liquid, divided by mu. Based on this, total apparent depth we want. Total apparent depth is asking there. That is, two thicknesses are given, two refractive indices are given. So T1 by mu1 plus T2 by mu2. So this is the formula for this problem, my dear students. So this is 6 divided by 8/5 plus 6 divided by 3/2, that equals to 30 divided by 8 plus 12 divided by 3 equals to 15/4 plus 4. Answer is 31/4. So but given in this problem as alpha by 4. Therefore, alpha equals to 31. This is the answer. This is numerical value based question. Actually, in section 120 questions, multiple choice questions, options should be given there. You should choose correct answer. And section 2, 5 questions will be given, numerical value based. All 5 questions you have to do. You have to attempt. No choice at all. Okay. This is the first problem we faced in 2024 in the month of January, phase 1, from this chapter, ray optics. I think it's not a difficult one. We can do this problem easily. And one note I am giving here, in 2025 entrance examination, I am expecting shift. Okay, so shift is nothing but T of 1 minus 1 by mu. This is the formula. If two liquids are given there, T1 in total shift is T1 into 1 minus 1 by mu1 plus T2 into 1 minus 1 by mu2. So shift problem they may ask, I'm expecting here. Okay, in 2025 in phase 1 as well as in phase 2. Right. Shift means from bottom onwards it is shifted. No, this is the shift. Okay. They may ask apparent depth from top surface or shift from bottom surface. Okay, bottom end. Now, shall we go to next problem immediately? Right. A biconvex lens, this is a lens problem. Actually, geometric optics is divided into 4 parts actually. One is refraction loss of refraction, Snell's law, critical angle, everything will be covered there. And second part is mirrors, third part is lenses, and fourth part is prisms. We can expect definitely one question from any part in each and every shift. In 2024, they conducted 10 shifts in phase 1 and 10 shifts in phase 2. This academic year also same, almost. So a biconvex lens of refractive index 1.5 has focal length 20 centimeters in air. Its focal length when immersed in a liquid of refractive index 1.6. Then it will be 1.6 will be there biconvex lens of focal length in air. Generally, this is the focal length in air actually we are taking. FAR is given as 20 centimeters. Okay. Then now it is immersed in a liquid. This is a liquid. We don't know what the liquid is given here, but we are considering liquid of refractive index mu L is 1.6 given. And for this lens, mu G value is given as 1.5. So when this glass lens is immersed in this particular liquid of refractive index 1.6, what happens to new focal length FL? That is the question. There is a formula for focal length dipped in liquid. That is FL is equals to F air into mu L into mu G minus 1 divided by mu G minus mu L. So this is the formula for this question, my dear NEET aspirants as well as IIT aspirants. The concepts are almost similar to both aspirants. So that's why you put the concentration on that. If you substitute the values there, 20 into 1.6 into 1.5 minus 1 divided by, that is 3 by 2 means 1.5, then 1.5 minus 1.6. So you are getting negative value. So minus 160 centimeters you will get. My dear students, it's a very simple formula to recognize. Okay, whenever liquid is, whenever lens is immersed in a liquid, its new focal length becomes formula. Okay, now in this academic year 2025, I am expecting this model now. So when a glass lens is immersed in water, particularly the liquid is water I am mentioning. So then water of refractive index mu L, we know that 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 that is, okay, 4 by 3. And mu G value 3 by 2. Then after substituting this value in new focal length FL, FA is the initial focal length, the new focal length FL, if substitute here, it increases by 4 times, 4 into FA. Suppose if focal length of if the a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeters is dipped in water, then its new focal length becomes 80 centimeters. 4 times it increases. Of course, it depends upon mu L and mu G values. If values are given like that, if not given, we should know that fixed values those are. So mu G equals 3 by 2, mu L equals to 4 by 3. If you substitute, you will get 4 in the brackets. So 4 times it increases. So we are expecting BMS expectation for 2025 entrance examination for both NEET and IIT aspirants. Okay, right. So shall we go to next problem? Right. Now a convex mirror, it is also 24 shift 1. A convex mirror of radius of curvature is given. My dear students, I am writing now with a red color pen. Radius of curvature is given as 30 centimeters. Then focal length is equals to r by 2. You know that. That is 15 centimeter. Okay. So forms an image that is half the size of the object. So this is a convex mirror it is. Okay. Now this is convex mirror. Now, if the object is placed here, image size will be half of the object. Okay, if the object is placed here, image will be half of the size. Suppose if it is a h, it is h by 2. So magnification formula is given there. So v by u, that is it is a virtual image. Okay, this is virtual image. Okay, so a convex mirror always gives virtual image. Remember this point. Always. Okay, virtual always I am writing here. Okay, always gives virtual image. For virtual image magnification formula, m equal to minus v by u. So then this value is given as half means 1 by 2. Then v is equals to minus u by 2. This is given. Question is, what is the object distance? They ask here. Object distance means from here to center of the mirror, that is P, pole of the mirror. So this is the question, objective distance. Okay, so what is mirror formula? Come on, tell me. Mirror formula. Mirror formula, 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. General formula it is, but of course sign convention is followed. Okay, so v value is negative for virtual image and positive for real image, that we have to consider. Focal length of convex mirror is always positive. Okay, 1 by f means 1 by 15 is equals to 1 by u, you put as it is, but v, instead of v I am putting minus u by 2, 1 by minus u by 2, then is equals to 1 by u minus 2 by u. Then answer is, what is that? Minus 1 by u. Okay, so this is 1 by 15, right? So therefore u value equals to minus 15 centimeters. So all of you recognize this point. Minus 15 means option number A. Okay, option A is the correct answer. Recognize this point. Right, my dear students, let us go to next problem. If the distance between object and object and its 2 times magnified virtual image produced by curved mirror. Curved mirror means, you recognize this point. Curved mirror means we don't know whether it is convex mirror or concave mirror. So, but one clue is given there. Image is two times magnified. So, in the case of concave mirror, magnified images you get, and diminished images you will get, depending upon the position of the object. But whereas in the case of convex mirror, you may get always virtual image and diminished image. Recognize this point. So this is concave mirror. It is confirmed now because image is magnified, so 2 times magnified, so this is concave mirror, confirmed. Concave mirror. Okay, so concave mirror means this is concave mirror. So light is falling on the concave surface. So then the distance between object and image is given there. Okay, object and what is that? Virtual image. Virtual image means what? This is virtual image, for example. So 2 times it is increasing. Okay. So if it is h, it is 2h. So magnifying power is given as minus v by u, my dear students. Because why it is minus here? Because it's a virtual image. Okay. For virtual image, minus v by u. For real images, plus v by u. Recognize this point. Okay. Magnifying power is given, that equals to 2. Then v is equals to minus 2u, my dear students. Okay, so v equals to minus 2u. This is the formula. Now what is asking now? The distance between object and image. So this distance I am representing with what? I am representing with blue color pen. So this is the distance. This is u, this is v, u plus v. So u plus v value is mentioned there, that is 15 centimeter. Okay, so if you substitute 1 here, 2 here, 1 in 2, then what happens? Okay, u minus 2u equals to 15, then minus u equals to 15. Therefore, u is equals to 15 minus 15. This is concave mirror. So that is minus 15, and v also, we have to substitute v also there. Then u is minus 15 and v is what? Minus 2u. Okay, so therefore u equals to minus 15 and v is nothing but minus 2u. Minus 2u. Therefore v is equals to minus of minus plus 30. So we got u value minus 15 and v value 30 plus 30. Then you select mirror formula again. Mirror formula. So he is asking what here? Focal length of the mirror. Okay. Focal length of the mirror 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. General formula it is. Okay. But v formula, v sign convention, it is a virtual image. That's why minus it is. Okay. Minus. So this value is negative, right? 1 by concave mirror. Okay. It is. So 1 by f is equals to 1 by f if we are going to find. So 1 by minus 15 plus 1 by what is that? Minus 30, because it is a virtual image. For virtual image, V is negative, right? Substituting here, you will get here what? Minus 30 is LCM, minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, minus 3 it is. Okay, so answer is minus 1 by 10. Therefore, F is equals to minus 10. This is the answer. My dear students, let us see whether minus 10 is there or not. This is a minus 10. Of course, D option is not printed there. That is 10 by 3 centimeter. So that is wrong actually. And C is minus 10 centimeter. So this is a question now in 2024 they asked here. So mirror formulas, they are putting the concentration in 2024. Now in 2025, we can expect lenses formations, lenses formulas, prism formulas. They did not ask prism formulas, prism problems in 24 phase 1. I think one or two problems asked there in one or two shifts. But this time in phase 1, 2025 January, so I am expecting prism problems definitely. So for more details, you contact my number and join in our institution. Online, offline classes are started. Don't waste your valuable time. Okay. Right. Now the distance between object and its 2 times magnified real image produced by convex lens. Recognize this point. This time convex lens is given there. Distance between object and magnified real image. Real image. Okay, we have to understand. So these two clues are given to us. This is a convex lens. Okay, object is here, 2 times magnified here, like this. Real image it is. Okay, in the case of a lens, this is real image, this is object. Okay, and object distance u, image distance v. Total distance is given as u plus v. U plus v value is what there? That is 45 centimeters. This is equation number 1. Okay, my dear students. Afterwards, what is the focal length of the lens? So u plus v equal to 45 and magnification is equals to plus v by u, because it's a convex lens and real image. Okay, for real image it is positive, I told you. Okay, now this value is 2 times v is equals to 2u, then equation number 2, then lens formula 1 by f equals, if v equals to 2u, substituting in first equation. Okay, now let us substitute this value in first equation. What happens? 2 in 1, then what happens? U plus 2u equals to 45, therefore u equals to 15 centimeters. Okay, now if you get u value, v value double of that, that is 30 centimeters. Okay, then you select mirror formula, same method almost. Okay, mirror formula 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Then substitute the values there, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30. So 1 by 15 plus 1 by 30 is 3 by 30, that equals to 1 by 10. Therefore, f focal length value plus 10 centimeter, because it is a convex lens. Once more, I am repeating the sentences now. For convex lens, focal length is positive. For concave lens, focal length is negative. For convex mirror, focal length is positive. For concave mirror, focal length is negative. Okay, in the previous problem, we got negative focal length, that's why, because it was a concave lens. Okay, it is a concave mirror. Now it is a convex lens, that's why positive focal length, right? Okay. We can go to, of course, mirror formulas, lenses formulas are given there. But this time I am expecting lens maker formula. They did not ask in last year 2024 in phase 1. So in this academic year, I am expecting BMS expectation is what? Lens maker formula. So many formulas are there, 6 formulas for 6 types of lenses. So double convex lens, plano convex lens, double concave lens, plano concave lens, and convexo concave lens, that is converging meniscus, and concavo convex, that is diverging meniscus. For 6 types of lenses, 6 formulas will be there. If you follow those 6 formulas, then you can get 1 mark, definitely 4 marks. So each correct answer is 4 marks. Wrong answer is minus 1 mark, and not attempted, unattempted question, 0 mark. Do you know all that valuation? Okay, right. Let us go to next question immediately. So if the refractive index of the material of the prism is cot A by 2, so prism problem is given this time, okay? Very few number is given. A is the angle of the prism, then angle of minimum deviation asking now. So this is also very important concept here. Refractive index general formula, sine of A plus D by 2, you know that, divided by sine of A by 2. This is the general formula for prism, okay, refractive index formula. Now, but in this problem is given as cot A by 2. Cot A by 2 is given. Okay. So, but cot A by 2 is nothing but what? Sine of A plus D by 2 divided by sine of A by 2. So, that is equals to cos A by 2 divided by sine A by 2. We can write like this. So, both sine A by 2 gets cancelled. Then sine of A plus D by 2. A plus D by 2 equals to, we can convert cos into sine inverse. Okay. So, sine of pi by 2, that is pi by 2 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2, because in the problem pi, in terms of pi, answers are given there. So both signs will be cancelled there. A plus D by 2 is equals to pi minus A divided by 2 to get cancelled. Therefore, A plus D is equals to pi minus A. Therefore, final answer is D is equals to pi minus 2A. So this is the answer, angle of minimum deviation they asked there. So pi minus 2A, this is first option. So my dear students, in Prism, so many concepts are there, formulas are there, so many concepts. Suppose if A value equals to D value, mu is equals to 2A cos theta by 2. Okay, 2 cos A by 2. 2 cos A by 2. And for small angles prisms, D is equals to mu minus 1 into A, angle of deviation formula. So based on this, they may ask the questions this academic year 2025. My expectation, BMS sir expectation. Afterwards, what happens now? The prism is given there. If refractive index, if critical angle for the prism is given as 45 degrees in phase 2, they ask this question. Then what is refractive index of the prism? So refractive index is equals to 1 by sine C. We can expect this one also. So if critical angle is given, we can find refractive index of the prism, material of the prism. So that is 1 by sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Therefore, mu equals to root 2 is to 1. So, root 2 or root 2 is to 1, whatever it may be, it is asked in phase 2 entrance examination in one of the shifts. Now, so many concepts are there actually. I am giving now very important concept. Now, this is the prism. This is the prism. Angle of the prism, relation between angle of the prism, internal angles R1 plus R2. This is the one relation we should note. And then angle of deviation equals to I1 plus I2 minus A. So angle of deviation formula, where A is the angle of the prism, I1 is the angle of incidence, I2 is the angle of emergence. You see here I am representing with the blue color pen. Two normals I am drawing here. Two normals I am drawing. Light ray is falling here. This is incident ray, and it is falling at an angle I1. It refracts like this and comes out. So this is angle of emergence. So R1 here, R2 here. So this is angle of the prism. Okay, and this is angle of deviation, right? All these points you know very well. Okay, now the best question we can expect in entrance examination, that is the best model in prism. A ray of light falls normally on the first surface of the prism. A ray of light falls normally in the sense I am representing with a red color pen. So a ray of light falls normally like this. Okay, incident ray it is, and without getting any refraction directly passes, strikes the second surface, and without getting any refraction. You see, with a ray of light falls normally on the first surface of the prism, and without getting any refraction, it directly falls on the second surface and just grazes, but it emerges out just by grazing the second surface. Okay, so it is emitting out by just grazing the second surface. So this is called as emergent ray. Okay, so in normal incidence, it is called as normal incidence, and grazing emergence, we can call it as grazing emergence. Okay, emergence. So what are the condition? What is the refractive index of the prism? What is the refractive index of the prism? Okay, this is a question mark. And what is the angle of deviation? So these are the questions now. Angle of deviation means general formula. First bit to answer, D is equals to I1 plus I2 minus A. Okay, and second formula is second bit is mu equals to 1 by sine C. Okay, now angle of deviation I1 means here I1 equal to 0 because light ray is falling normally, and R1 also is 0. Then R2 is equals to C because the grazing incidence. So, okay, so grazing emergence means that the grazing emergence angle of incidence is equal to critical angle. You know that concept. And I2 equals to 90 degrees, because if you draw the normal here, what happens now? If you draw the normal, this angle becomes 90 degrees. Okay, if you substitute all these conditions in the first bit, D equals to I1 plus I2 minus A, you will get angle of deviation. Okay, so we are expecting this type of model in this academic year 2025, January, phase 1 entrance as well as phase 2. Okay, the students are going to face this type of problem definitely. Okay, so normal incidence, grazing emergence, then angle of deviation formula I1 plus I2 minus A, and A value is for equilateral prism, A value 60 degrees they will mention there. And A equals to C also, because A equals to R1 plus R2. Okay, R1 is 0 there, R2 is C, therefore A equal to C. Then angle of deviation can also be written as what? I1 is G plus I2 minus A, that equals to 0 plus pi by 2, that is 90 minus A. So final answer is D equals to pi by 2 minus A. In terms of pi, this is the answer for deviation. Okay, so normal is so many formulas are there in Prism also. Or grazing incident and grazing emergence also A letter. Okay, so there are some different conditions for that. So my dear students, this is the way of explanation from BMS sir, Bhanumurthy sir. If you like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, so that all tips and tricks can be explained in detail. You can observe all the tips and tricks. So definitely how to subscribe my video channels. Okay. If you want for more details now, for more details, go to the description box given below. Thank you for watching my video classes. You keep on watching my video classes regularly. You do viral this video to all your friend circle, so that everybody can get benefit from this video class, I hope. And moreover, NEET students also, the physics concepts are almost the same in for NEET students as well as IIT students. Okay, except a few some integrations, differentiations, except those. Okay, so I hope everybody understood these problems. Time factor is very important. Within 2 minutes, you have to observe, you have to finish the problem for IIT students, and for NEET students, only 1 minute time is there to finish each and every problem. Okay, wishing you all the best. Have a successful day, year. Have a successful days in upcoming entrance examinations. And I hope after seeing this video, you can contact me. You can join in our institution without fail. Online classes are running. Offline classes are also running. Okay, see you. Bye in the next video class. More and more details will be given from different chapters. Okay.